everyone, this is Mariah from the Petite Planner, and I am squeaking in here with my December Plan With Me video. This month I'm going with another simple setup for those of you who are looking for something easy or if you're new. And I am going to turn it all horizontal though for a change of pace. You'll need a ruler and a pencil. And then I'm going to use Magic Fly markers. I pulled out colors that match the stickers I will be using. And I am going to be using the Carpe Diem season sticker set that has a page for each month. I've used it the past few months and it's worked well. I will have links to all of this below. They're very affordable and easy to use. All of these supplies. The markers have 100 different colors. And oh, you'll need a black pen. I'm going to use my Micron here, but you can use any black pen that you have. So I am just using the ruler to draw a simple calendar. I start my calendar spread with whatever day of the week the month starts on. So this one will start on a Wednesday. And then I do every box, very simple. And then I'm going to go ahead and label them. Nothing fancy, just my handwriting, all capital letters. Oh, and apparently I'm adding some extra here. I do like a little consistency there. That looks okay. But nothing fancy in the lettering or numbering here. You don't have to be amazing at hand lettering to have a cute planner. Usually I don't draw those last boxes if they don't have dates in them, but what you gonna do? So here's some of the months I have not used yet from the sticker set. I'm good to go into 2022, it looks like. But I'm gonna use December, obviously, today, and just start adding stickers. Between stickers and just color on this layout, you can get a cute bullet journal spread that isn't complicated to make. Don't have to be a lettering or doodling expert, and it'll still look great. So this one says Christmas Day, but I already have December 25th, so you can self-edit or you can go crazy. So here's a red I chose because it sort of matches. I'm going to draw some lines down here to finish out the bottom of this page. And here is what the full month spread with room for notes ended up looking like. Okay, on to some quick weekly spreads for those of you that like weekly spreads. It's very similar to my 6-box weekly spread. It's just going to be horizontal. So all you need is your ruler. You can measure out the measurements in your notebook. It's all straight lines. I do mine in pencil to give me a little bit of a guide. I'm guaranteed to still mess it up like I did right there, but I can fix that later. And then, once again, I'm going to just do some normal handwriting of mine. I'm kind of winging this lettering. I like the look of that. Yeah, it doesn't have to be fancy to be cute, guys. Then I'm going to come in here and just add some color. The red and the green go along with the stickers, and they go along with my holiday vibe. I absolutely adore Christmas. And the holiday season, really from Thanksgiving all the way through. I just love the whole season. I don't know if anybody else does or if I'm just one of those crazy people, but comment if you love Christmas or the holiday season or just anything. So then here's 2 weeks in a row. I just alternate colors. Each week has a page with the 6 boxes. And you can see how you could just continue this through for as many weeks are in each month. So here we go, real quick. I told you this would be quick and easy. We're going to throw together a habits tracker and a mood tracker that sort of has some drawing, but not too much. This is going to be a string of lights. So all you have to do is your little swoops and then put 31 little circles and ovals on each string for your habits. I'm going to label my 3 habits the same as usual if you follow me. And then I'll color in each of those as I fill it in, decorate this page with stickers, and that is how simple it is to make kind of a Christmas-themed habit tracker. Okay, so moving down here, I am going to use I'm not even going to call them doodles, guys. They're not really doodles. They're squares. For this mood tracker page, it will be an anxiety and depression tracker. We can track both. So we're just going to do squares. You can use a ruler like I have. If you like this one, I love it. It's linked below. But you're going to do 31 boxes. You can hand do them, draw them, hand draw them, hand draw them. If you have a ruler like this, you can just do 31 squares. Just don't get carried away and you'll have too many. I might have done that. And then I'm going to add the key here. And if you're new to watching my setups, I rate my anxiety and depression on a scale 0 to 2, 3 to 4, 5 to 6, I have to think, 7 to 8, and 9 to 10, with the lower numbers being more mellow days, better days. And then I'm going to just use the red and green for the key. So I'm going to use the green for the lower, the more calm, the more balanced days. And I'm going to use patterns to differentiate them. So like here's, I'm going to use little stripes, polka dots. I'll probably use then solid, and then I'll do a red design and a red solid. So in the end, no matter what my mood, this will be, you will see, a cute page of gifts. So once you get your key done, just come back in with your black pen and just do a line right down the middle to divide it like it's a ribbon. And then I just do different squiggles on top. I guess we can call it doodling, but it's really not. And it looks like bows. Once those presents are colored in, they will look like gifts. Add your stickers. It's going to look amazing, guys. And it's super easy. If you have extra stickers, don't hesitate to go back a few pages and add more stickers. I love stickers. Like, subscribe and click like, or just comment if you love stickers, because I really do love stickers, guys. It's sad. I have since I was a little kid. I have like a big sticker book, so this is no surprise here at this point. But just add them in, use those stickers, use all the ones you like, and really fill your pages up. So this is my quick and easy December setup. You can do it with any sticker set, any colors. Y'all, thank you so much for your support in 2021. I hope that you all had a good year, and if not, I really hope that December treats you well and that the new year brings something amazing. Thank you for your support. Please don't hesitate to comment. Hit me up via email. Let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see in the future. Let me know if you need help with your notebooks. Just let me know. And I hope you all have a great holiday season, and I will see you probably next year.